welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that basically that he's been attacked by people. They're always talking about him, even when he's trying his best to not, be set on bothering people. He said that his page is a mix-up page, and that's what he does. That's what he loves doing. Basically, it doesn't mean that he is. It's personal. It's nothing personal to him. He just does that so that people can laugh. People can have a good time, but nothing to attack the person that is involved in the mix-up. And so he's saying that he rates a lot of people, like those celebrities that follows him. He called a few names like Miss Kitty and others. And so he's saying, this is nothing personal, but he needs people to stop attacking him basically because he's doing what he's doing because of, personal things. That's how he gets to laugh because he's not able to really go around like us, and because of that, he has to find joy in something else. And so he's speaking about this and more. So go ahead and catch the video and remember to
Good
like,
morning,
share,
Ann
comment, and
Thompson. Hello, good
subscribe
morning,
to the
everyone.
channel.
Hello.
Have yourselves a wonderful one.
Follows me. Miss Kitty, let us talk about Don the Jamaican side of things. Miss Kitty follows me. Itana follows me. Me can call out enough stuff, but me not call it. Me call it two top me or me no or follow me. Leave me alone. Stop harassing me. I'm tired of you people. I'm sure someone tired of me too, because one don't like me. And that is fine by me. It is fine by me when not like me. I don't care. Leave me alone. It is not rocket science. Go on about the business. Congratulations to Miss Kitty for having her first baby. May God protect you and your baby. It is a blessing to have a child. And you yourself is now having your first child. Congratulations. Yeah. The time the fun, I never put herself on it's so annoying. Yes, I like gossip, but I like a variety of gossip. I mean, I stick to one person. Leave me alone. Come on, speak of a chat. No one gonna talk about none of you. There's so many people I can chat about. So many. That's my page is a mix-up page. I can talk about a lot of different people because my page was built that way. Don't come go and expect me to talk about honor. Like so only is a topic of conversation all the time. Move when it's not relevant. On I seek relevancy. Someone to turn beggy peggy. Beggy Isha beggy peggy. On a rich on have money to look at more money. On a turn social media scavengers, social media scroungers. Go on. On a can't chat to me. Not day. I mean, can walk, but I show me look at horse. I can walk about and show me look at horse. I will situated. Let us talk about that. Imagine, I was so proud of my live last night. I was so proud of my live I did yesterday. And even that, them attacked that live. And Facebook didn't put up the damn live. Even that. Like some of them come out and they should be, them for chat. Them can chat, but you not for talk. If you just sit down and just listen and just take the bullshit. Me not listen. Me not care. Me don't care. Look pa me good. Me no business. Me not care. Me shame tree burn up and withered away. Yeah, and rotted too. Me not no more shame. Cause uno tie me to it, uno turn me in a dog shit. I uno do it. No, it didn't come back, LZ. It didn't come back. It did not come back. Listen, honest to God, I don't care. I could tell when, listen, the minute that the live was sticking, they was reporting the live. That's how they are. They come here in their numbers and attack me. While their peoples on their page are going at them antics and want come harass people and speak so derogatory about other people. But yet when them over for them page, them a laugh and skin out them teeth. And no one, I'm sure none of you now got the people them page and bothering them. But as soon as I come on my live now and if I hear something that triggers me, I'm gonna come with and go on myself now, then they want to come attack me like I'm the instigator, I'm the one who's on here trouble. I don't trouble people. I don't trouble people. If you guys was studying me, if you were studying who I am, you would have realized a long time ago I don't trouble people. Cause I don't. But no, because on a feel like say on the winning team, the winning side, if we don't upon that side, then we're not on no side. We're not on the winning side. I don't want to be on no side. I want to be on my own side. Melika Island by myself. What is so hard to understand? What is so hard to comprehend? I want to be on my own side. We don't want to depend on the team. Because I choose not to be on a team, I'm enemy. Okay. Alright. If that makes any of you sleep good at night time, right on. Right on. Continue. I don't care. Me sleep damn good every day. I sleep good. On say me roll like an English pound. On say. On can't say. Me roll like an English pound. Yes, I could lose some of the weight. Yes, I could, and I am losing some. But then again, I have an excuse for that. What is for no excuse? Let's talk about that. When it's too much. You people is too much. You people is too much. And I'm tired of it. That is why I take back my power. I took back my power a long time ago. Don't you guys see? I've been took back my power from all of you. All of you, I took my power back from you. Understand? When my trauma happened to me, all of you know about my trauma, who's been following me for a long time. Me now go back in it for the new people. Me now go back in it. I'm not. But to all of you who's been following me for a long time, you know my trauma. That really, it broke me. It broke me so much. It did. Listen, me nah gonna be a hypocrite. Me nah gonna be a hypocrite. Bigfoot. Sharon. We have to go on the credit. Because you people made me firm like the Rock of Gibraltar. Especially you, Sharon. You made me firm like the Rock of Gibraltar. And I will always say thank you. From where I'm coming from to where I am now, none of you can't break me again. Maybe that shit would have worked 1 month, 3 years ago, or 1 4 years, it would have worked, man. It would have worked. Cause you all did, all of you. It started from over there, sir, and it continued since then till now. It would have worked 1 3 years ago, 1 4 years ago. Will it work now? The hell it won't. Try another bus stop, hop back on that bus and stop at another stop. Because I'm sure set on to realize, say, I am no pushover. You know, funny thing, I was never a pushover then. And then tragedy struck. And then I became weak. Try that shit now. I want to try that shit now. Try it now. I don't want to try it. I want to do too much. You people have turned me into a honor are the reason why I've become the way I've become. Because you see, before all of this Facebook nonsense, when I was on Twitter, I was so nice. I was so approachable. I was everything. Look at my page. People over here, they're so standoffish. They don't want to interact with me because of the way you guys have portrayed me. I want to do it. I want to do it. All sides, from over this so to over this so. The wall I want to do it to me. And I know all of you knew. On a know where you guys know what you was doing. You know what you was doing to me, but it's fine. I keep on telling you people, only the good salvation of the Almighty God himself will last forever. This cloud shit we have going on here, this cloud bullshit, one day it is going to wither away. I hope when that day come on a door, my dot. I hope when that day come on a door, my doubt. Can you see me? Let's be real. I was always down there. So whatever happens, happens. I don't really care. It's not going to affect me the way I know it's going to affect nothing when I got mad out. Don't you guys remember Wally British? Wally British used to run social media hot. Wally British used to run social media at party. Enough for them come out and used to run social media at. Where are they now? There's a time and place. There's a season for everybody. You people, clearly, just don't understand how social media work. There's a season for everybody. Ask yourselves why 4 years ago, Donegal could have pulled on her live 120,000+, 130,000+ pound one live. She turned on like what? Within no time, 10K, 15K easily used to run up on that live. Where did all of those people go? There's a season for everybody. Andre Stevens, the whole Donnelly case. When him turn on him live, 10K, 15K, 20K in no time pull up on that. Where the people them gone? There's a season for everybody about here. Maybe it is not my season yet. And I'm alright. I am fine. Whether it comes or it don't come, I not care. Because guess what? I am not running down social media fame. I'm not. I am happy with the little people who knows me. And let's be real, I am known already. Them know me already. Them know me. When them don't like me, them know me. Understand? There's a season for everybody about here. Because someone will come and go like say on a shit can make party. Pray to God tomorrow and don't wake up. I want to say, Lord Jesus, how the people them gone? How they gone? I want to mad out. With my little people them, I'm fine. You know why? Because little is much when God is in it. I mean, I come out about me I try please and lotion put and powder nobody. I'm done. Maybe 4 years ago when I was up, like, you know, all up into Donegal, me not calling name for nobody. I'm not calling your name for nobody. But 4 years ago, 5 years ago, I would have walked to the end of the world with you. I mean, I tell no lie. Oh no, me I say. Them things that can't go on now. Me not look no love from nobody. But God, I am great. I am amazing. Always remember, only salvation, the good salvation of God, the good salvation of the Almighty God who wakes us up every day. Without God, do you think nothing would have wake up today? The time nothing about to come out here, come worship people and put people on pedestal. A God alone on the put on pedestal. And talk about on come tear down other people in the name of other people. Move with that bullshit. Move. Someone don't want to go to church. Someone don't want to get to know God properly. Because missing nothing on a Christian about not Christian. On is not Christian. On fake people. Because on proclaim God, I in the same breath. On want come wish kind of wickedness upon other people. And it's no Christian. We're not wicked. We're not wicked. And always remember, I'm keep on telling, only salvation, only the good salvation of God will last forever. I hope nothing will seem fierce. Cause the way I come out to come like say on his holier than thou. I hope nothing will really do get to see God's face. Yeah. I hope all of you actually, all of you will see his face. Yeah. Imagine, look how many guys are over my page right now, and only 29 of you actually dropped a like on my video. So this only tells me nothing over. Why not come from? I don't want to not come and don't want. You know, I swear to God, I wish I could just do lives where nothing can say, especially the haters. I wish I could. I wish I could.